Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever shopped on SHEIN and ended up with an item that doesn't fit quite right or isn't what you expected, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to exchange items on SHEIN in 2025. This process has been updated for even easier returns, so let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have your SHEIN account ready. If you haven't logged in yet, open the SHEIN app or website and sign in with your credentials. It's quick and secure. Once you're in, head over to the My Orders section. This is usually found in the Account drop-down menu at the top of the page. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent purchases. Scroll through and find the order that contains the item you want to exchange. Click on that order to expand it. Now, locate the specific item you need to swap. Next to it, there should be an option like Return or Exchange. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select Exchange as your reason for the return. SHEIN's 2025 policy allows exchanges for size, color, or style, as long as the item is in its original condition and within the eligible timeframe, typically 30 to 45 days from delivery. After selecting Exchange, you'll get a form to choose your new preferences. Pick the exact size, color, or variant you want. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Then, provide any additional details required, like photos if needed, and hit Submit. SHEIN will review your request quickly, usually within 24 to 48 hours, and send you a confirmation email with shipping instructions for sending back the original item. Once they receive and verify it, your exchange will be processed, and the new item will be shipped out. A pro tip: always use the provided shipping label to avoid extra costs, and keep your tracking info handy. If you run into any issues, SHEIN's customer support is top-notch and available via chat or email. And that's it. Exchanging items on SHEIN in 2025 is easier than ever, saving you time and hassle. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more shopping tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.